Hi, I'm Jeff Wagner, Product Manager for the Alpine Division at Keystone RV. Alpine is Keystone's premier luxury fifth wheel brand. Today we're standing in the front of the all-new 3801 front kitchen. I'll give you a quick tour of this awesome kitchen. As you can see in the front, you have this abundant countertop, a ton of storage above and also below. And in the food prep area, you have an abundant countertop. You have storage above and tons of storage below. As in every Alpine, it comes complete with the RV Chef Collection kitchen, the 30-inch convection microwave, the heavy-duty range top, and our all-new Furrion oven. One of the other cool features in this front kitchen is the banquette. You'll notice that it is easy to enter, it is comfortable, and it has storage below the seats, as well as it has a swivel or pivoting table so you can change your seating arrangement to meet your needs. In addition, we've designed this model so that anywhere in this banquette you have line of sight to windows. There are 4 windows up here in the kitchen area, and it allows you to enjoy the beautiful scenery that surrounds you. Thanks for taking this time to tour the all-new 3801 front kitchen.